What a miserable wet day. But the ducks are happy. Come on, move, ducks. They're never in a hurry. Come on, ducks. Come on, ducks, move. Come on, move. Come on, move. Come on, ducks, move. I am not even going to try to pull in there. Alright, at least now I think they're out of the way. Silly ducks, silly ducks. What a muddy mess. I have a feeling I'm not going to get a whole lot done today. But at least I brought my raincoat. Well, I put some scratch under there where they're not getting pounded on with rain. And the gray roosters lured some girls over. They're not looking real happy. They're not happy about it raining. Well, it's going to be this way all day. I put the scratch up on the lip here and they'll clean that up. I threw some scratch inside the hen house, and the gold rooster, I guess we're calling him Dominic. No, Rodney. We're calling him Rodney, I guess. Anyway, he called some girls in there. So, no point in even letting them out today, because it's going to be like this all day. So, they're just going to have to deal with it, I'm afraid. You know, they can go inside the hen house. Oh, when I got here, Silver and the gray rooster were in the little hutch right there. That's good, because hopefully that's where she will be hatching out some eggs later this year. Well, I got some picked up some nails at Home Depot this morning, and go drop them off. Then I'm probably not going to do too much today, because it's just miserable.